The Body Trac glider from Stamina Products makes rowing a comfortable, convenient activity for building strength, toning, and improving endurance at home. The unique natural rowing stroke mimics rowing on a body of water. The smooth rowing stroke is also aided by adjustable hydraulic resistance. While you're rowing, the footplates and straps will keep your feet secure. The multifunction monitor keeps track of various stats to keep you motivated as you row. The aluminum rowing beam and steel frame construction will keep you rowing for years to come. Even more, you'll want to row because the padded hand grips and wide molded seat were designed with your comfort in mind. The glider's foldable arms allow for compact storage, unlike other bulky, heavier rowers. Have fun and better your health with the Stamina Body Trac glider.
The Concept 2 Model D and Model E indoor rowers both provide the same great full-body workout, but there are differences between the Model D and Model E indoor rowers that we'd like to point out to you. Seat height, monitor arm, enclosed chain housing, color and finish. The most striking difference between the Model D and the Model E is their height. The Model D seat height is 14 inches. The height of the seat on the Model E is 20 inches, comparable to the height of a normal chair. That may be important to you if you have balance or mobility issues, because you may have an easier time getting on and off the Model E than you would the Model D. The Model D monitor arm is slightly shorter, while the Model E monitor arm is longer and fixed in place. The performance monitor on the Model D can pivot up and down and back out of the way for storage. Both the Model D and Model E chains are nickel-plated for smooth action and low maintenance. The Model E chain housing is fully enclosed, which helps keep the chain clean. The Model D has a matte finish and is available in light gray or black. The only difference between these two Model Ds is color. They both offer the same effective workout and work the same. The Model E is available in light gray or black. The Model E's metal frame parts have a high gloss finish. There are many similarities between the Model D and Model E. If you were blindfolded, you wouldn't be able to tell which you were on. The rowing action feels the same. Both units are commercial-grade pieces of equipment and share the same stellar reputation for durability, and we support both with the same outstanding customer service and warranties from Concept 2. Concept 2 indoor rowers are covered by a 2-year warranty on all parts and a 5-year warranty on most frame parts. Maintenance is minimal. Just wipe the monorail and oil the chain periodically and you're good to go. To row, you'll need a working area of 9 feet by 4 feet. The Model D and Model E accommodate rowers of a wide range of heights and sizes with user capacity of up to 500 pounds. Extra long monorails are available. Both the Model D and Model E separate easily for storage.